like AC/DC.
But
No, it's like Dire Straits.
yeah.
There's a great Mark Knopfler track actually. That's really good. It's funny. That's like Black Sabbath.
But it's cheesier than all of them. It doesn't fit.
Alright, then there you go.
Okay, I want to hear this. What are they called again? Focus.
Focus.
Songs Hocus Pocus.